Hi friends, good morning. I welcome you to my YouTube channel and I also thank you for connecting with me. In today's video, we are going to discuss why you should not delay your buying decision with regard to insurance policies. Friends, we humans have a tendency to postpone our or delay our decisions, particularly when it comes to buying a LIC plan for ourselves or our family or our children. Though NRIs take an LIC plan more for investing for the future or securing their future rather than taking an insurance cover. Hence, you should either decide to take it or not to take it. Definitely, you should take your time to understand the product, to understand plans, features, and benefits. Compare it with other available LIC plans or other available options. And once you decide and you are convinced that this particular plan is fulfilling your present and future requirements, then you should start the process immediately without any delay. If you think the selected LIC product is the best one and it is fulfilling your requirements, or if you have another product better than the LIC plan, then you can go for that also. But if you find it that this is the best and you decided yes I am going to for it, then you should not delay the process. Delaying the process would have cascading effects on it. So friends, I am going to discuss what could happen if you delay the process of taking the LIC plan. Let's understand it through 3D. 3D effects of uncertainty. Now, we are quite familiar with 3D. It is being used in a lot of movies and other things. But in LIC, it is 3D of uncertainty. The first D is death. Death is certain and it could come anytime and to anyone. And to cover our risk involved with the death, to protect our family, that is the basic reason we take an insurance plan. If there is a certainty and if we know how long we are going to live, probably nobody would buy an insurance plan. To cover this uncertainty, to protect our family, we take the insurance plans. During COVID second wave, my couple of clients who have postponed their decision of taking an insurance plan, and the excuse was let the things go better, then we'll buy it. And unfortunately, due to COVID, the death happens. Now, friends, feel sad about those families who have faced not only the loss of a head of the family or the person who is a only member in the family, but also the financial implications or financial difficulties the families are facing these days. Have they taken the decision and taken the insurance plan, their families would definitely have a better life nowadays. Friends, second is disease. Disease is also uncertain. We are healthy today, perfectly fine. Probably tomorrow, anytime, anything could happen. And so in case of insurance plans, when you apply for an LIC insurance plan, so the underwriters ensures two things in the proposal. One is he is perfectly fine, his health is perfectly fine, and second, he is financially sound to pay the premiums. Now, for example, a person has decided to take a particular plan and he delayed the process, and by delaying period, he got, for example, he's infected with COVID. So LIC will not give insurance cover for another 3 months. He has to wait for another 3 months, and thereafter he has to go through certain medical tests as well. Similarly, if he becomes diabetic or he becomes hypertension. In that case also, LIC may deny the insurance plan, or LIC may charge extra premium for that. The third D is disaster. Again, disaster is also uncertain. It could struck anytime, anywhere, and we often see worldwide that a disaster is happening in one place of the world or another part of the world. Some natural calamities has struck. So in such scenarios, it becomes, I mean, depending upon the situation, whether LIC would give you the insurance or not. For example, I went to Singapore in December 2019. So at that time, when I left India, there was nobody knows about COVID. And when I came back and landed at IJ airport in Delhi, so the news channels were beaming the news about COVID, and we all have seen the next couple of months that there were lockdowns all over the world, and most of the countries have stricter restrictions for traveling. Even LIC has put on hold all the insurance plans for NRIs for almost for 1 year. No NRI was able to take any insurance plan. And friends, still the LIC plans are available only for the NRIs living in group 5 countries. NRIs who are living in group 1 to 4 countries still not able to buy any insurance plan. They are not allowed to take any insurance plan. Term insurance is still not available for any NRI, whether he is living in group 5 or group 4 or group 3. So this could be another major effect on your decision, whether if you are delaying it. So I mean, tomorrow anything could happen, like we have a Omicron virus coming after COVID. Nobody knows what is going to happen in next couple of months, and whether LIC is going to give this insurance cover to NRIs in group 5 as well, or it may be withdrawn for some time. So friends, apart from these 3 Ds of uncertainty, there are a couple of more reasons. Example, the first is non-medical special category. LIC gives an opportunity to NRIs who are below 35 years of age, and if they go for a sum assured of rupees 60 lakh, no medical tests are required. Now I give you an example. For example, a person is 35 years and 5 months old, and he decides to take a LIC plan for 60 lakh rupees of sum assured or 50 lakh rupees sum assured. But he delays the decision for another 1 month or 2 months, and he turns 35 years and 7 months, and then he applies for the insurance plan with LIC. Now his age would be considered as 36, and his non-medical special condition sum assured would be reduced to 30 lakh rupees. He delayed it only for 2 months, and his NMS non-medical special is reduced from 60 lakh rupees to 30 lakh rupees. Impact which could have been is the premium. As you all are aware that premium in most of the LIC plans is based on the age of the proposer. Now if the same person, for example, he is taking Jeevan Labh for 21 years term with 15 years PPT, 15 years premium paying term, his premium would be around rupees 5,39,888 rupees. Now again he delays the decision for another 2 months in the same scenario, and now he is 36. His premium now would be 5,41,840 rupees approximately. That means a difference of 2,000 rupees. Only 2 months delay and he has to pay 2,000 rupees every year to LIC for 15 years. That means he would be paying for the same plan 1 crore sum assured, 15 years PPT, 21 years term. Earlier his premium was 5,39,880 rupees. Now it is 5,41,840 rupees, approximately 2,000 rupees. For 15 years it becomes 30,000. But it is not a loss of 30,000, friends. In LIC Jeevan Labh for 21 years term, you get almost 2.5 times of your invested money. So that means he has an accrued loss of 75,000 in all total. So when you delay the decision, it impacts not only the premium, not only the non-medical special exemption, including the 3D effects which could happen anytime. So these are the risks you are taking when you delay your plan to take the insurance. It is perfectly fine if you are not interested to take it. Is perfectly fine. You have already, in that case, you have a firm decision that I'm not going to take this plan. That is perfectly fine. But if you have taken a plan decision, yes, I'm going to take this plan, then there is no reason that you delay it. If you are delaying it, you are taking lot of risks and lot of cascading effects could come with that delay. So friends, I strongly recommend you to start the process as soon as possible once you take the decision to go for a particular LIC policy. If you have any questions, if you need any clarifications on this in this video, or if you have any question related to LIC plan or policy, or you want to discuss anything, my contact details are provided in the description box. And I hope people among you who have already decided on the plan and are delaying it will definitely take the step forward after watching my video. Thank you.